Disabling two-factor authentication on Afterpay can help streamline your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Afterpay website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in a menu or profile section of the app or website. Step 3. Locate security settings. In the account settings, look for a section labeled Security or Two-Factor Authentication. Click on this option to access your security preferences. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, you should see an option to disable two-factor authentication. Click on this option and follow any prompts to confirm your choice. Step 5. Save changes. After disabling the feature, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that two-factor authentication has been successfully turned off. By following these steps, you can easily disable two-factor authentication on your Afterpay account. Always remember to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and monitoring your account activity.